Croeso nôl.
Ie, helo, rwan ta mae Huw Stephens yn dod i'n gweld ni. Dyna'n neis.
Oh, stop it, don't.
Golchi ffenestri.
Yeah, that's more like it.
Wash on, wash off. Ie, mae Huw yn dod i'n gweld ni. Mae Huw yn neis.
Mae Huw yn lovely.
Ac mae Huw, shall I tell you a little bit about him?
Yes,
Huw
you carry on.
oedd mae e'n DJ, fel ydych chi'n gwybod. Ac Huw oedd y DJ ifanca, youngest, i weithio ar Radio 1.
Yeah.
Yn 2 ar 15, 17 oed he was. When
17.
he started,
Yeah.
babi bach. And do you know where he started out DJing? Rookwood Hospital.
Hospital DJ in Israeli All-Star, yeah, the best place to go, yeah.
Gret, yna. Wrth gwrs, mae o yn DJ ar Radio Cymru. Roedd o'n arfer cyflwyno rhaglen gerddorol Bandit. And he's covered lots of festivals o Glastonbury. Ac fo sydd wedi dechrau gwyl sŵn, dwi'n meddwl, yng Nghaerdydd.
Yeah, the Sŵn Festival.
And beyond, yeah.
Yeah.
So we can talk to him about that. Mi briododd o, he got married. Llynedd.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
I remember hearing his, they did like a surprise stag celebration ar radio.
Yeah, ar radio,
Oedd yn ddoniol iawn, so nawn ni siarad gyda Huw am hwnna. A hefyd, mae'n dweud yma, I didn't know, he's been given an honorary doctorate for his exceptional
contribution to music, or to culture, to
language, culture.
Language. You should have one. You do contribute a lot.
Right.
Look how good I am. Sgrin un nawr te. Ydy yn gyffroes. So ydy...
Beth ydy gyffroes?
Gyffroes, excited.
Yeah.
So,
is such and such exciting? Yeah. So beth ydy, this is a great Welsh word, mae hon yn fantastic. To DJ, what do we do with an action word at the end if we don't know how to say it? We just add a...
DJ-o.
DJ-o.
DJ-o. That's good.
Ydy hwnna'n air Cymraeg?
That's fine, that's all right. Yeah, change it.
DJ-o.
Yeah.
So is DJing on Radio 1 exciting?
Ydy DJ-o ar y Radio 1 yn gyffroes?
Da iawn. Oedd, was, so something he has done, was DJing in Rookwood Hospital. Fun.
Oedd DJ-o yn y ysbyty, what was it called?
Rookwood.
Rookwood. Ysbyty Rookwood. Yn gyffroes?
Yn gyffroes, yn hwyl, yeah. Exciting, fun.
Joio. Give me another one.
Was getting married fun?
Oedd priodi?
Yeah.
Yn... What was
fun?
The... fun. Yn hwyl?
Yeah.
Yn
Oedd
surprise.
priodi yn hwyl?
Surprise.
Yn boenus.
Surprise, you're married. What? OK.
Iawn?
Iawn.
OK. Hapus?
Hapus.
OK. Sgrin nesaf, sgolch yma. Pa.
Pa.
Beth ydi pa?
Pa... Which?
Da iawn.
Yeah? Because of pa un and it goes to peen.
Which one? Peen. Da iawn.
OK.
A wedyn pa fath o? What kind of?
Pa fath o fandiau beth ti'n lico?
Check him.
O ti'n lico?
Soft mutation without even thinking about it.
Just rattles it off now.
Pa fath o fandiau ti'n licio?
That's how I roll
Da
now.
iawn.
Just all down to the teacher.
What kind of music do you like?
Pa fath o fiwsig? Beth ti'n lico?
You don't need the best.
You need the best. Ti'n lico.
Ti'n licio, da iawn.
Is that okay?
On fire. We're finished.
I'm excited to meet you again. I like him a lot. He's good.
Dwi ddim yn nabod o, I don't know him, ond dwi'n licio gwrando arno fe ar y radio. And you feel like you know him, yn dwi?
Yeah, because of Twitter as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
A mae'n neis clywed acen Gymraeg ar y radio, ar radio.
And he does say a lot of Welsh stuff as well, I've noticed. Should we see him in action?
Yeah.
I think we've got a clip of him in Bandit. Gwyliwch hwn.